Hi, I'm Marcia from Guardair, and this is the 79SG Syphon Gun, which delivers up to 12 gallons of liquid per hour. Connect the gun to standard shop compressed air. Drop the sinker into a bucket of liquid, pull the trigger and spray. You can use it to spray common cleaning agents like solvents, degreasers, or water. And it's great for paints, undercoatings, lubricants, or stains. When finished spraying, the 79SG Syphon Gun can be used as an air gun to clean and dry. The gun has an adjustable brass nozzle to change the spray pattern, featuring a durable cast aluminum body with a hanging hook and a wide, comfortable trigger. The 79SG Syphon Gun includes a 6-foot-long, 1/4-inch diameter PVC feed tube with a brass sinker and an industry-standard 1/4-inch FMPT inlet. Visit our website for more information.